Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to our recap of today's Emini trades. We started off at 7 a.m. Central Time this morning, wanting to sell 69s to 71s, then 74 to 76, and our first buy was 60 to 62, followed by 55 to 57. As you can see, the first move was lower. The market made it just below 59 and managed to rally to 71.75. So our number one buy worked and produced very profitable trades. And then the trade of the day was selling 69s to 71s, which we caught up here. That was our sell band. So pretty good job calling the market's edges today for the AM trading. After lunch, the market got hit pretty hard. They got stops below 1845 before recovering to close in the 65, 66 area. So we'll probably start out tomorrow again wanting to sell 70s to 75s, and our buy will probably be in the 55 to 60 area. Taking a look at how these trades were put on, it's all fine and good that you want to be a buyer or seller at such and such a level, but how do you put on the trades? We have a methodology that's based on a pattern, that's based on a particular setup with a trigger, then entry, exit, trade management rules. And I will go over those with you right now. We're very, very active trading before the day session opens up till about 11 o'clock Central. Then after that, we recommend that you book your profits and go home and start trading simulated. The issues that face and after the lunch trader are much different than those that they face in the morning, and it's never fun to go home a loser after you've made money in the morning. Our first buy was in the 60 to 62 area right here, and the market makes it into this area right here, and you could have had a buy stop off of this bar right here, or you could have had a buy stop off of this area right here. Either one of the trades would have produced a winner. You would have been long in the 62 area, or you would have been long in the 67 area. And the market traded to 71 3/4, so either trades would have produced a winner. We've been looking at 4 to as many as 9, so you had a shot at 4 to 9 points off this particular trade. Up here we got our retest failure set up, and when you took out this pivot bars low, you're short 68. You could have been as short this little tiny compressed bar here. You could have been short at 69. So you were short at 68 to 69. And if you'd covered just inside of the low, you would have been out at 59. We got another retest failure here. That would have had you short again in the 59 area. Market trades down to 56, then breaks it big time and heads lower. Right here we have a little head and shoulders pattern, which would have had you long in the 49 area late in the day. But we don't really work the market after lunch, although there's wonderful opportunities there. So you had a 4 to 9 points. If you sold 68s down to 59s, you'd had a shot at 8 to 9 points, which is pretty good. So you're looking at 12 to 18 point potential if you've gotten short in the 59 area. Once again, we did trade down to 44. So you had a shot at another 10 points. So you really had a shot at 22 to 32 points before you even got to this trade after lunch. And that's a nice day of trading. Got any questions about our setups, our methodology, the software, please give us a holler. I look forward to seeing some of you in the room.